Hello and good morning. This is Wissam Dakash, the curriculum designer of ZERO1, the well-known curriculum for ICT and robotics for STEAM and AI implementation from KG till grade 12. Today we are going to introduce a great news for you as academic directors and teachers for ICT and robotics. And this is what we call the Smart Board, ZERO1 Smart Board. That is a unique solution that we are proudly behind this innovation and integration in our curriculum to solve a major problem for implementation of STEAM at schools. We all know, and after years of observations, that teachers and students are facing lots of problems for this integration because they have to master electronic background circuits and debugging problems while using the electronic Arduino kit with the sensors, cables, and lots of electronic foundation and concepts behind those projects. During the Corona, Autodesk invented what we call the Tinkercad platform, where students are invited to manipulate all those concepts virtually on a free platform called tinkercad.com. It's already implemented in our curriculum 4 years back, but it's not enough for students to work virtually while they are asked to create real projects as real in order to innovate in a science fair by the end of the year. This is why, and after many months of observation, we took the decision of creating an engineering department in our company. And those engineers created what we call the ZERO1 Smart Board, which is this board that you are invited to take more information about it, because for next year it will be implemented in our curriculum. And all teachers that are using our curriculum ZERO1 will receive a board like this one in order to see how important it is. Now I'll take a quick overview of this board, and in a few moments I will show you few examples that we can create on it. So first of all, this is a board that you can handle. You can see here there is the Arduino board embedded in this PCB board. You have a screen, you have LEDs, push buttons, you have potentiometers, you have LDR, you have many of those components, especially here on those plugs. You can add a DC motor, you can add a servo motor, an ultrasonic sensor, and a humidity and temperature sensor. And with this board, what we can simplify is the task of wiring the circuit, because all is embedded in this circuit. This is first. And second, students will move from the simulation world to what we call the ZERO1 Smart Board, that will create a bridge between the virtual world and the final product that they can create with Arduino. And it will simplify the task, because with this board will come a detailed curriculum that covers many topics, from using the ZERO1 board, from using the sensors, the motors, everything related to what we are asked to prepare students for in order to create STEAM projects. So we hardly believe that this board will be the changing process for how to teach microcontrollers to reach quickly the implementation of STEAM and to produce by the end of the academic year like a science fair project. And we are here to support this implementation by offering our curriculum designed for this board, and very soon I'll show you some of the projects that could be made with this board, with all the components that are embedded on it. I really thank you for that, and I really appreciate if you want more detail to get in contact with us. We are here to support you, to deliver you as usual the details needed for the benefit of the school and your students. Thank you very much, and I'll move to my second part of the presentation, where I'll show you in detail how this board will change the way of teaching microcontrollers and electronics. Thank you very much. So here it is my board, and I wrote a program to make the LEDs red and green blinks in a sequential way. I will upload the program, and in few seconds you will see that the program will be uploaded on the board, and the two LEDs shown here and here will start blinking. So it's taking a little bit time. As you can see, no connection were made, and here are the two LEDs, green and red, are blinking together. Now I'm uploading another program to make the LEDs, as you can see, blinks in a sequential way. So the aim of this board is to make coding as a first layer, while the electronic components and the electronic circuit will be on a second layer, since all the components are already done. I will try to make you another program to see how the buzzer will be functioning. Now it's a third program made, where while the LED is blinking, a sound is reproduced by the buzzer. And now it's the time to attach. As you can see here, I've attached a servo motor, and this servo motor will turn left and right from 0 to 180 position. Look how the servo motor is turning from position 0 to position 80 in a slow movement. So you can conclude from those experimentation that integrating electronics and Arduino for STEAM is really simple, is really attractive, and is really fascinating for students. Now it's time to embed a ultrasonic sensor, and this ultrasonic sensor will make the LED and the buzzer reproduce sound if a distance less than 15 centimeter is detected. So I will move a little bit the ultrasonic sensor, and I make my hand reach, and as you can see, it's detecting less than 15 centimeters, and the LED is turning on, and the buzzer is reproducing a sound. So, and the implementation of the ultrasonic sensor is very simple. You have only what you have to do is to plug it. Okay, so what we can conclude from this manipulation is that the integration of sensors, motors, electronic devices are really easy on this ZERO1 board, because all is ready-made. All what students have to do is to concentrate on the coding, and for that we've prepared a really nice curriculum. This is it, where you can see you have like the table of content, all the level grades and all the STEAM projects, and here you can explore all the content of the lessons that we are delivering with the book.